How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance businesses, workflows well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. While learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So firstly, all you have to do is use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So we have here, give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a batch of some images. Give some good prompts for images if I'm going to be using the images as t-shirt designs. So here we have various things. You can just select the one you want and copy and paste it on Runway. Don't worry, I will explain you Runway later. So let's copy this one. Then I will introduce you first to another one which is called Leonardo. I will tell you why I use this one. Leonardo is a free tool. Anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account and you can start creating these images from the prompts. But first we have here a various information about Leonardo and how it works. We have also here features, solutions, resources for teams, for developers, content, and then launch app and other things. You can just read this information to more understand about Leonardo.ea, and then you get started by writing your email and your code and get started. So this is the home page here. We have various things also in the home page, but let's click it over image creation. So all I have to do right now is just paste this one. Then we have here presets. You can select it. Then we have prompt enhance, automatic or on off. Then we have preset style also, contrast low or medium or high. So let's choose high. Then we have generation mode, fast, and then we have quality. Then we have image estimation also, the number of images, private mode, and other things. You can just select how much you want for images and also in settings here, and then you click over generate. We have here 134, and we have here upgrade. Then we have image creation here. You can also switch on here legacy mode, but let's go click over generate. So we have got these credits, all right, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 134 of these credits, and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my tank, here is my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice. Now as you can see, it's bad with words. All right, don't try to write something on the screen with image generators. All right, just don't path like this. I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt, click on generate, on more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirts designs. Why am I tell you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. So I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over the 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over the 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over the $25,000 for doing this. So what people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get these pictures and they just roll over those to the teachers to make to cap whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come in. We make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runaway. What? No, what? What Runaway? So Runaway can make you 100 off this path. The downside of it is that you cut off to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started and create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for investing and you use it. So you have here are various information like text, image to video. We have video to video, but if you want to get started, you can just click over text, image to video, and you get started with it. But it's a paid tool. That's the issue with Runway. So one of the most ways to earn money using ChatGPT is by mastering the art of prompt engineering and offering your services to businesses and individuals. You can create tailored prompts that help automate tasks like content creation, customer support, and marketing copy generation. Additionally, you can compile pre-made prompt libraries for specific niches such as social media content or email automation and sell them online for passive income. Another lucrative option is to use ChatGPT to generate AI-powered content such as blog posts, product descriptions, or ad copy and offer these services on freelancing platforms or your own websites. By harnessing the power of prompts, you can turn your skills into a profitable business. So to make money using ChatGPT, draw prompts. Start by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, sell prompt packages, or use the prompts yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapt to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is how it works with ChatGPT and the Leonardo and also Runaway here, and you can start sell that on Etsy. So to more understand, all I have to do is go to Leonardo and you can just read this information also on Runaway and you get started with it. So this is how it works with it. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next